Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguide.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, two food processor brands will be going head-to-head. We have the Ninja food processor and the KitchenAid food processor. A food processor saves you from having to do tons of tedious and tiring food processor. A great food processor is able to dice, mince, grind, knead, puree, slice, and shred. Whether you want to knead pizza dough, grate potatoes, slice onions for latkes, or puree a pesto, a trusty food processor will make the task faster. In today's video, we'll be pitting two top contenders, the Ninja food processor and the KitchenAid food processor, against each other in a battle of style and substance. Both of these units have earned 5 badges from our team at trustedshopguide.com, ensuring their quality, durability, and performance. However, there's only one room for a winner, so sit back, relax, and watch as we battle it out in today's brand wars. If you're interested in the other food processor that we reviewed, do check out our food processor in a review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these food processors will be going toe-to-toe with are their size and form factor. Size is an important factor to consider when looking for a food processor. Since most kitchen counters are already crowded with various kitchen appliances, dishes, and condiments, the last thing you would want is to add upon it a hefty, clunky kitchen tool that'll make your countertop even rowdier. For that reason, a food processor's form factor should be just ideal enough to fit a small or roomy countertop space well. Aside from this, it's also important to consider the shape of the food processor since it brings out the unit's compatibility with your kitchen decor. The Ninja food processor measures 9.88 by 7.76 by 16.02 inches, while the KitchenAid food processor measures 7.87 by 9.65 by 15.35 inches. Although the Ninja food processor comes with a more countertop-friendly design, it's worth noting that in terms of design, the KitchenAid food processor has a slimmer and more slender form factor thanks to its more uniformly cylindrical shape. This makes it a more attractive choice for those with little countertop space to spare. Although the Ninja food processor is nothing to scoff at with its slender profile, we'll be giving the first point to the KitchenAid food processor. For its lighter package and modern design, we believe it's the definitive winner of this category. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their capacity. Food processors come in a variety of sizes, from tiny 3-cup choppers to 20-cup versions that could function in your restaurant kitchen. To find out what size is best for you, we recommend looking at the number of people you typically cook for and the recipes you usually prepare. As a rule of thumb, however, a small family will need just about 6 to 12 cup capacity processors, depending on the recipe and of course your appetite. The Ninja food processor has a capacity of 9 cups, which can easily serve a family of 4 to 5 people at a time. On the flip side is the KitchenAid food processor, which has a capacity of only 7 cups. Although the Ninja food processor clearly has an advantage over the KitchenAid food processor in terms of capacity, it's worth noting that the feed tubes on both units serve a very important purpose in ensuring that food gets to the work bowl without spills or leaks. For having a larger capacity than its competition, the Ninja food processor ensures that you are not only able to serve yourself but your friends and family as well. It earns 1 point to tie up the battle at 1-1. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their power. The more powerful the machine, the more expensive it becomes. As a general rule, more power will give you better results. When using a more powerful processor, you'll be able to achieve improved prepping outcomes such as more uniform chopping or the ability to dice incredibly dense food. Some food processors come loaded with additional blender-like functions like smoothie making or dough mixing, so it only makes sense that extra power is applied for such kitchen applications. Quite impressively, the Ninja food processor boasts a 1000 peak watt professional-grade motor that packs enough power to turn the toughest ingredients into velvety smooth purees. Needless to say, this will serve you well in all sorts of kitchen applications, whether it's chopping nuts or making amazing pastes and purees. The KitchenAid food processor, on the other hand, is not quite bad either. It features a 250 watt motor, which is sufficient enough for a food processor of this size. For its extra power over the competition, the Ninja food processor will be more than worth it for someone who's interested in using a powerful food processor, and so it takes the lead again with a score tally at 2-1. The fourth category these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their settings. Since a food processor is a versatile kitchen appliance, you can't necessarily put it in just one category. For this reason, the more versatile a food processor is, the more valuable it will be in your kitchen. Luckily, most food processors these days offer a multitude of different settings you can work with. It can quickly and easily chop, slice, shred, grind, and puree almost any food you can think of. In fact, some models are also capable of making citrus and vegetable juice, beating cake batter, kneading bread dough, beating egg whites, and grinding meats and vegetables. The Ninja Food Processor features an Auto IQ intelligent preset program that makes food prep easier with just 3 speeds: low, high, and pulse. With these settings, you can easily get uniform chopping without worrying about liquefying them or leaving large, unprocessed chunks on top. You can also shred cheese and evenly slice veggies in no time. The KitchenAid food processor, however, is not to be outgunned either. It has high, low, and pulse speed settings to handle a variety of ingredients with precision. This effectively allows you to chop, puree, shred, and slice everything from cucumbers to tomatoes, cheeses, and more with a reversible medium slicing disc and multi-purpose blade. Although both food processors work incredibly during our product testing, we found that the KitchenAid food processor was the more versatile of the 2 units. For that reason, we're going to give it this round, which leads us to yet another tiebreaker round. The 5th and final category that these 2 brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their ease of cleaning. The more pieces your food processor comes with, the more time you'll spend cleaning it. If you're lucky, some or all of its components may be dishwasher safe. If you're out of luck, however, you'll have to stick with hand washing the chopping blade or slicing disc. Most feed chutes and work bowls today are dishwasher safe though, so you don't have to worry about that. The Ninja Food Processor is very straightforward and easy to clean. Since all of its parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe, you can just simply pulse some warm water and a couple of small drops of dish soap to quickly clean the bowl and blades. The KitchenAid food processor is also very easy to clean. Its sealed, leak-resistant work bowl means less food gets trapped in the bowl and lid. Also, the bowl, lid, and accessories are all dishwasher safe. Just leave it in the dishwasher and it's good to go. With both machines being completely dishwasher safe, it's challenging to pick a winner for this category. If we had to nitpick, however, we would have to pick the KitchenAid food processor since its work bowl is leak resistant. Going the extra mile really helped make cleanups that much more convenient, and for that reason, we're choosing it as the clear winner of this category in this battle. Finally, we have come to the end of this battle of food processors between the Ninja Food Processor and the KitchenAid food processor. Even though it was a very tough fight, the KitchenAid food processor beats the Ninja Food Processor by a narrow margin of 1 point. Although the Ninja Food Processor lost this battle, it would be amiss to say that it doesn't make a worthwhile investment for a kitchen. In fact, we highly suggest this for you if what you're looking for is a machine that has the extra power to spare for all those tough kitchen applications you might need in a professional kitchen space. If you're all good with versatility and ease of cleaning, however, then the KitchenAid food processor is definitely an ideal match for you. As much as we would like to keep going on about the wonderful features these food processors offer, there can only be one victor today, and the KitchenAid food processor has already claimed its throne as it waits for yet one more battle with another formidable opponent. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Ninja Food Processor and the KitchenAid food processor has finally ended. If you have any contenders for a next food processor face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.